Think she's going to make a crew like Toya?
That's a failure.
This week on Luckyfish, Zaya's niece Zaya joins us in Fort Myers and we begin a beautiful journey north along Florida's ICW. What do you think of Florida so far, Zaya? Mark II?
Zaya version 2.0. I love Florida so far. Really good. Especially the boat is amazing. I love this boat. Really looking forward to the next couple of days.
Can't wait to show her some things.
So you better tell us, where did you come from?
I'm from Mongolia. I study in Boston. And I'm here for a break from all the cold weather.
What are you studying in Boston?
Business management.
What year?
Second year.
Ah. Hello, Uber driver number one. You're our very first Uber driver. You know, all the bridges, normally we go under them. This time we go over them. They can open up and you have to stop your car. We're about to do a lot of it. After provisioning the boat, we left Fort Myers to begin a 100-mile journey along what must be one of the most picturesque sections of America's 3,000-mile Intracoastal Waterway.
We're stealing their dolphins, honey.
Dude, this is amazing. Is this dream? Am I still sleeping?
So what's the plan, Captain?
Drop the anchor and pour us on down quickly. What would you like, madam?
White wine, please.
What about liquid oak? Oh, she doesn't drink. She's 20 and can't drink. Oh. Except it's New Zealand drinking rules here.
What is
You
that?
can drink at 17 in New Zealand.
Mongolia, there's no...
Oh, Mongolia, okay. We only covered 30 miles on that first day and lowered our sights even further on the second day for a 12-mile leg to a place we'd heard a lot about, Cayo Costa. It was the start of many great experiences. We watched a trimaran divert course towards us. The solo skipper, Mark, yelled out, "Hey, I'm one of your followers." This was the very first moment we learned Luckyfish had an audience. That was after 18 episodes and 5 months of publishing. As soon as we'd anchored, another viewer, Rob, and his friend sent us a message.
You're Zaya as well?
Yes!
Asking if it was us that just anchored at Cayo Costa.
Cut
Cut.
That was a memorable night of laughs and coincidence. Think she's going to make a crew like Toya?
That's a failure.
That's a failure right there. We learned about the Manatee hole and set off in the morning to find it.
She said I look like those Thailand or Vietnam and Cambodian
Going to her rice field.
Oh yeah, look at this coordination.
Come on, you're almost to your rice field.
Wait, I need to fix that.
Come on.
Look at this, natural Mongolian. Landlocked country, my ass. They should have a coast. They did have a coast. Look at that natural road. We're going to crash into something, but you know.
Touch the nature.
Touch the nature.
It was meant to be. Oops.
Why am I touching the nature though? It's got it. And the other one too.
These ones.
Absolute natural. We've found rowing genes and buried deep in the Mongolian DNA. We've uncovered them.
Come on, DNA.
Come on, DNA, where are you? We've come here in search of manatees.
They say they just pop up.
And if you don't see them, there's supposed to be half a dozen or so inhabiting this little canal, creek. And if we don't see them, we are supposed to just stop and wait. They breathe every couple of minutes or so. What a pretty little lagoon.
Yeah. Look at it. Oh, so cute. Wow.
Stop, he's right there in front of us. There's two of them. He'll come and look at us if we're lucky.
Now having some sun.
Oh, cool. Didn't expect to see that right next to the boat. After that pretty neat encounter with manatees, we left Cayo Costa for the 34-mile leg to Venice. Well, this is a first for us. We're just about to go through a swing bridge. We just called up the bridge operator and he said he's going to open in a couple of minutes. Keep it coming, Captain, keep it coming. So he can see us and hopefully when we arrive there, the swing bridge will be open. There's dolphins on our port bow, there's boats going past. All right, nice and slow now, honey. It's all happening here on the Intracoastal. They just closed the road barriers. We just saw those drop, so it looks like it's all about to happen. Okay, no, just kick to your left a bit, yeah. Got the wind pushing you down. All under control, Captain?
Yep.
Bridge number 2, the Tom Adams Bridge. Oh yeah. They can only open the east span because the other side's broken, but I don't know, hopefully Zaya's got it all under control here. She's got the Zaya Mark II ready. Well, it is pretty tight. You want to get over to your right a bit? Yeah, you're good. Minnesota Key Bridge, and the booms are just being lowered on the traffic. Cars are stopping. With a bit of luck we should see open sesame. Okay, there it goes. Now you're away. Well, it goes from narrow to wide. We're sitting in the narrow part at the moment. Built up with houses, posh properties.
Where's this pretty little captain we got? Skipper.
Another Mongolian sailor. Skipper. Well, this is so pretty. We're coming into the, what is it, the township, city probably, of Venice.
Yeah.
And the
Speedboats.
speedboats have all gone home.
It's so calm.
Yeah,
It's so,
calm.
yeah, it changes everything. So the man-made canal, and it runs inland. You can see where we've left the coast there on the chart. Follow this canal system that links up with a lake and an estuary at the town of Venice, up the top there. And then we zigzag across that and rejoin the waterway heading north to Sarasota.
Oh, are they splitting the bridge?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Hey everyone, we had a really interesting day yesterday. So it was really interesting because almost like 6 bridges opened up for us while we went through, because our mast was too high to go under the bridge without them opening up for us. So the bridges opened up for us, they folded and then they swing. It was really adventurous for me, as I've never seen a bridge like that before, and having the chance to sail through them all by myself with the 2 captains next to me and going under the bridge and then them opening up for me was really new experience to me, and I really enjoyed it. So it was getting late and we realized we couldn't make it to Sarasota, so we tried to find places that we could anchor, and we found this place called Venice, which is really an amazing neighborhood in Florida, I guess. And the place where we tried to anchor was pretty shallow, but we did find this really beautiful lagoon with all these amazing houses built nearby, and there was a yacht club and a mooring field, and we saw some other familiar faces, familiar masts anchored up, so we tried to anchor there and it actually worked. The funny thing about Luckyfish is that we never know where we're going to anchor, but we always end up finding these amazing places that we can anchor up. And although the water was really shallow, that it was almost like I could stand up in the water, but we managed to anchor up in there, and we realized the tides would rise up in the morning, so that shouldn't be a problem. You see, I'm already so familiar with sailing.
Venice truly is an amazing place. We find ourselves anchored virtually in the middle of suburbia, almost on people's front lawns, and beautiful homes too. It's a real great privilege to be able to do this sort of thing, and when I contrast the anchorage here against places we've anchored in the past like Ascension Island or St. Helena, it just shows you what you can do with a small shallow draft blue water catamaran.
The nice thing about Florida is that people are so friendly to boaters.
As the sunset went down, Stuart made a beautiful barbecue for us, and Zaya, version number 1, made nice mashed potatoes, and we had this amazing Riesling wine, and it was another beautiful, relaxing night. And I couldn't wait to have more.
Thank you to all our wonderful patrons for supporting our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.
We're going to the bar or the beach?
Bye.